What's going on, pumpkin people? It's a sea of green. Wow. Stick around for this full week update. Okay, look at this plant. My God, looking all right. Let's see. Let's start with the good news is sea of green. Plant is really, really healthy, really, really big. Got a pollination coming up here. In 2 days or so. This is on a side vine, probably a couple out from the stump. We had one open up there today on this side vine, but more than likely won't be keeping that one. Plant overall health is looking really good. We're trying to sweep these vines in this direction. Those are the first couple in the back side vines. We're trying to run them along the edge. And we're going to try to run these kind of like in a swooping pattern. This is by far the best plant I've ever had. Let's see here. I had a pollination here this morning on this side vine. It's a little warm today, but should take. I used 3 males or so on that one. And then I got the fan running here. Had some ice packs. I have had another pollination this morning. I used 4 males or so. And then this one is day 4. There, can you see it? There it is, day 4. It's swelling up. Let's get a better look at that. But the other one back here aborted. Having a tough time this year getting anything to set. Let's see. Here's a better view of the one. This is my keeper. If I can get that one to set. The stem's growing. It's shiny. It's looking good. I'm hoping. We really, really need that one. But we had this potential here. And then I think I got one more right there. And then tomorrow morning, we got this one, this side vine. That's a really good position, that one. And then we got another one right there. I'll be opening up tomorrow. Kind of hard to see with the light on that one. Just got caught up on all the burying. Got caught up on everything we needed to do. We're using a lot of fish. Humic fulvic seaweed from Wow. We're using Plant Marvel with higher potassium. What else are we doing? For fungicides, we are doing phosphite, or it's phosphate, it's phosphite. I forget how to pronounce that, but it's the systemic plant fungicide. And then we're gonna do Daconil in a couple weeks because we're gonna fight off any downy mildew that happens. And then keep up on your metocloprid. I did last week a spray of biofin, covered the plant and some biofin for our contact. All in all, these leaves are looking really good. Right there, that was when it was 100 degrees. That leaf's a little scorched. That's not bug damage. That's more scorched damage than anything. That one's a little scorched. But we terminated a lot of everything back here. Everything's pushed up against the fence. A couple tertiaries squeaking out. We got to get rid of those. And the way in the back over there, you can see there's a yellow leaf. That's like one of the first leaves we had on our plant, but that's okay. We've got plenty of leaves here to support this fruit. If this one is to take, I think we're gonna have something pretty special happen this year. I think that one had 6 males completely covered in pollen. There's really no reason why that shouldn't take. I don't know what else to do. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. When we pollinated that one, we did the same thing. We had ice, we had the fan. It was only like 85 degrees maybe that day, maybe a little less, but I don't think it was even necessary. But I honestly was just more cautious than anything. And this is looking good here. Nice pollination. I have to change these out. I change them out like a couple times a day. I got the fan. I think that definitely helps keep everything just a little cooler. Can't hurt, but that's our potential. I really hope she takes. That's day 4. She's swelling up every day, so I'm really hoping tomorrow morning that pumpkin really gets, size my fist, hopefully. That'd be great. But hopefully next week that's our keeper. If that one's to take, it'll be, I don't know, day 12 or so, and we'll definitely know for sure if it's taken by then. So until next time, growing big.